Old Car City, the world's largest old car junkyard. What would be a trip to Georgia without stopping at Old Car City in the little town of White, Georgia? They open at 9 a.m. and they close most days at 4. Tuesday through Saturday. Close Monday and Sunday. If you're a world traveler or a photographer, you absolutely have to stop here. There's not just old cars here. There's all kinds of eclectic, antique, nostalgic collections, shall we say. Every time you turn the corner, there's a sign telling you something, some piece of advice. There's tons of fun-filled facts like, in France, it's illegal to name your pig Napoleon. Or, an average raindrop falls roughly 7 miles per hour. Traveling can decrease risk of heart attacks and depression. Every year, Americans create 1/5 of the world's trash. Well, is this trash? Or is this treasure? You may even make some new friends here. Two wrongs are only the beginning. Let me tell you, 442, that's a wrong right there. That's a wrong right there. You gotta love how some of these trees just grow right into these vehicles. Hey look, it's the Ghostbusters wagon. Ambulance. Johnny Cash's 1946 half-ton Ford was used in the murder in Coweta County movie in 1983. Johnny Cash. It's like Mustang Alley. I think this Mustang we could bring back. It just needs a good wax and buff. The world's ocean contains enough salt to cover all of the continent in a blanket 500 feet thick. Fun-filled fact. Look, here's some good news. With the new president, the gas prices are down to 29 cents a gallon now. You can fill your whole tank for $1.71. There's enough fuel in a full tank of a jumbo jet to drive an average car around the world 4 times. Maybe even a Winnebago. Billy Joel would be proud. A line is a dot that went for a walk. Hey, if you stay at the Bartow Motel, you get free HBO. You can get a room real cheap. You might be a redneck if you had to hitchhike on your honeymoon. Looks like they hide all the good cars in here. Well, you can say you've seen it. The largest styrofoam cup art collection in the world. So definitely worth it. If you're ever out here in the White, Georgia area, make sure you stop in at Old Car City. You won't be disappointed. I could spend days here.